In this video I will show you how to place your order using your Biashara app. Okay, so this is the app. Here you just choose which level you are. I'm going to quickly check my internet. Let me change from data to Wi-Fi because it's data is taking long. And then you choose your level. If you are a preferred customer, you choose preferred customer, supervisor, assistant manager, or maybe it's for a retail customer. Okay, so I am assistant supervisor, and then you just choose the products that you want by just adding to card. I already added my products, and then I just go to my card. This is what I'm ordering: Forever Garcinia Plus 2, and then the toothpaste 4, Algae Plus 1, and then Forever Theme 3. Okay, and then I just check out. So here you make sure you write your details. Your FBO number should be showing there, and then here you obviously choose the office, the Johannesburg office, so that your order will be sent to dispatch. Okay, so then it will be delivered. It will be delivered to our sender. Okay, so delivery, it's Peneambeko Nakalemo. Then I save that. Contact person, it's still me, Peneambeko Nakalemo. I just have to write this with small letters because I'm in a hurry right now. 8187087226, and then I save the delivery fee. There's nothing. Send to the Namibian pickup center. Pickup center in Windhoek. Okay, and then you save. This is the total amount, and then I continue to payment. Okay, I pay directly to the Namibian Forever account. I just connect it, and then it will ask me to enter the information. Okay, so I'll enter the details for my card. Okay. Peneambeko. Enter the so here I'm just entering my card details. Enter my CCV digit. Then I enter my CCV. Okay, once that's done, then I go to the next step, and then it will confirm the payment. Okay. And then it's now asking me to confirm on my app. I should have received a notification. Okay, so let me check if the notification is there. Otherwise, let me go to the app itself. The notification is here on the app to approve the purchase. Okay, and then I just approve. I enter my password to the app. Okay, so I log in, the purchase is done, and then I go back to confirm to automatically pick up that the payment was done. And then here, confirmation of the order, transaction completed successfully. And then now it's time to confirm the payment. So I confirm payment. Okay, and then now, congratulations, your order has been sent to the headquarters for processing. Once the processing is complete, Forever Living office will notify you with an order number via email or text message, and then you are done. Everything in just less than 5 minutes. If you want to continue shopping, you can do that, and then it will take you back to the app. You are done. Congratulations, you have successfully placed your first order with Biashara app. Very fast, convenient, and everything super. Thank you. This is your girl Penny, or your coach Penny, and until next time, it's a goodbye. Enjoy your shopping.